Okay, in this tutorial I'm showing you the upgrade to the 64 gigabyte RAM. I previously did it with total failure. I got this cable that it only has 2 of these guys and you need 4. And here's took the fan off. Here's the riser cards. There it goes. After all that was tucked in, seated correctly, put together, it didn't boot up because the manual states that you have to have all riser cards powered. Where it says powered, and this peripheral was made for a T7400 precision workstation, according to the guy that I got it from. So I kind of wasted money in this part, but I'm gonna keep it because I know there's several ways to make this hack work. And for instance, the guy didn't know that you could use a 750 watt unit and still use the 64 gigabyte and the riser cards. He wasn't even aware of that, so he went ahead and ordered a good amount of these machines, and now he started manufacturing these. And according to him, he made these. So, and he already put it up, so I know it works. So this is a good way of defeating to get the 1000 water. Although there's advantage and disadvantage to that, I will later include that in a different video. But this is just to show you the solution. This is what this computer expert made me. I know it works because it just looks like it's gonna work. See, it has 4 of those. Once that's put up, I will include the video. Thank you.